In this video, we're going to evaluate definite integrals involving trigonometric functions. It says evaluate the definite integral given below, and the integral is from pi over 4 to pi over 2, and it's 3 cosecant squared x minus 2x squared dx. So what we want to do is we want to first, we need to take the antiderivative of cosecant squared x, and we want to take the derivative of 2x squared. So if I take the antiderivative of cosecant squared, I have some of these written here. So the antiderivative of cosecant squared, of negative cosecant squared, is cotangent. So the antiderivative of cosecant squared would be negative cotangent. So this is going to be negative 3 cotangent x. When I take the antiderivative of 2x squared, I get minus 2x cubed over 3. And I'm going to evaluate that from pi over 4 to pi over 2. So I end up with negative 3 cotangent of pi over 2 minus 2 times pi over 2 cubed divided by 3 minus negative 3 cotangent of pi over 4 minus 2 times pi over 4 cubed divided by 3. So what is cotangent of pi over 2? So cotangent of pi over 2 is going to be 0. So we're going to have negative 3 times 0. And then minus, this will be, well, if I cube that, that'd be 2 pi cubed. This would be over 8 over 3 minus, I'll get negative 3 times, cotangent of pi over 4 is going to be 1, so that's times 1. And then I get minus pi over 4 cubed is going to be 2 pi cubed. This would be 4 cubed is going to be over 64 divided by 3. So we're going to simplify this a little bit. So this will be 0. This will be negative 2 pi cubed over 24, because 8 divided by 8 divided by 3, you get 24. And you get minus, this will be negative 3, and 64 divided by, or 64 times 3 there, it's going to be 192. So we get minus 2 pi cubed over 192. So we're going to get negative 2 pi cubed. Actually, this would be negative 1. We're going to simplify this. This is negative 1 pi cubed over 12. This will be plus 3 plus, that'll be pi cubed if I divide both those by 2. So 192 divided by 2 is 96. Now I just need to combine these together. So I'm going to do a common denominator here. So I think if I multiply 12 by 8, I get 96. So this is going to be negative 8 pi cubed over 96 plus 3 plus pi cubed over 96. When I combine those together, I get 3 minus, because that's negative 8 and that's plus 1, minus 7 pi cubed over 96. And this would be the area given from this integral.